In this video, we will talk about the pricing of these two bundles, the Lovers Bundle as well as the Sweet Valentine. If you would like to see me put them together, check out the link in the description below. This is Ciera from Crafts That Make Sense on T-Shirt Side Hustle. We'll get right into it after the intro. Alright, so like I stated in the intro, we are going to be talking about pricing. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So let's talk about the Lovers Bundle. I do have some notes here so I can keep up with the prices and give you guys the math that I came up with. So first, I have a bottle of wine that I picked up from the local Total Wine store. Wine is usually costing us about anywhere from maybe $6 to $8 of wine that you can put inside these boxes. We're going to have 2 champagne flute glasses that are from Dollar Tree. So they're $1 a piece, giving us at a total of $2. We then have 2 t-shirts from Circle Clothing. The t-shirts, I did account the vinyl that's included. So we're going to put these at $8. We also had a dozen of treats. The dozen of treats, we are going to just put them at about $5, thinking about how it's split up between the bag of pretzels or the strawberries. We had some tissue paper that came from the dollar store. So I did spend $1 on it, but that whole thing of tissue paper did go into this bucket. I have 3 individual flowers that are sitting inside. So that's going to take us to another $3. This storage bin was also from Dollar Tree and cost $1. We also have some adhesive vinyl that is on the front for our decal. It's not too expensive, so we can just say that that's going to cost us about $1, giving us to a total of about $29, but we can round it up to $30. Now let's get into the Sweet Valentine. The Sweet Valentine started off with 6 rectangle boxes, 2 square boxes, 2 arrows, 1 heart sign, all from the Dollar Tree, $1 a piece, totaling at $11. We also had a $6 bag of Fruities, which I can get about 5 different bundles out of, and that's going to take us to $1.20 for each set that I will be able to make. We had a bag of Hershey Kisses that also was $6. We can get another 5 sets out of that bag of Hershey Kisses, taking us to another $1.20. Next, we have 3 boxes of trolleys, which were $1.25 each, taking us to $3.75. We also had 3 boxes of Sour Patches that were $1.25 each, taking us to another $3.75. So we also had a half a dozen of strawberries that were $3.50. A half a dozen of chocolate covered pretzels that were also $1.50. We used 2 bundles of pink flowers that were also from the dollar store, so $1 a piece, giving us another $2, taking us to a total of $30. Now that we listed all the prices for each item in these 2 bundles, we know that they both are totaling at about $30, and we can talk about how much we are going to charge for these bundles and the profit, because once again, this is Crafts That Make Sense. So this Lover Bundle was the highest bundle that I had last year and was actually a very good seller. I sold about 10 to 15 of these bundles, and they were at a price of $80. Due to the fact that this Sweet Valentine bundle is something that is very close in regards to the cost, I believe that they both have that same value, so I'm going to put this at a price of $80 as well, thinking about the time of treats as well as even just putting this craft together. With that being said, each bundle costs about $30 to put together. We're charging $80 and we will have a profit of $50. So I'm going to set a goal for myself to sell at least 10 of each of these bundles, which will bring me to a profit of $1,000. That sounds good to me for a day's work. Tell me what you think. Is that a pretty fair price? What would you charge? Let me know in the comments down below. Our next video, we'll talk about some marketing, and we are almost to the day of production. This is Ciera from Crafts That Make Sense on T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I'll see you next time.